So now we're going to take matrix A times matrix C. Matrix A is 1, -3, 4, and 5. And matrix C is 4, 2, 0, 1 through 5. Now the question is, can I multiply those? Yes, why? 2 columns here equals number of rows here, 2, right? Because this is a 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. That's a 2 by 3, 2 rows, 3 columns. And those are the same. So I can multiply them, right? And it's going to produce a 2 by 3. So it's going to produce a matrix with 2 rows and 3 columns. Does that make sense? Sometimes I like to draw my matrix. It kind of helps me out. And so remember, when I multiply, I'm going to take every row times every column. So I'm going to go to the first row and multiply that by the first column. And that will go here. Okay? So it's going to be 1 times 4 plus 4 times 1. Next, I'm going to take that row times every column. I have 2 more columns, right? So I'm going to multiply it by the middle column. And that's going to be 1 times 2 plus 4 times 3. And then the next column. 1 times 0 plus 4 times 5. So all I've done so far is I took this row times this column, this column, this column, put it here, here, here. That's it, right? And so you could probably guess, to get the next row, what do you think I do? You do the other row times all of the columns. So that'd be -3 times 4 plus 5 times 1 for that one. Next one would be -3 times 2 plus 5 times 3. And the next one, -3 times 0 plus 5 times 5. That's what? 4 plus 4 is 8. Right? 4 plus 4. Here is 2 plus 12 is 14. I'm just spacing it out. You would never space it out this much, but I'm trying to help you line it up. This would be 0 plus 20 is 20. Right? That'd be -12 plus 5, so -7. -6 plus 15 would be 9. 0 plus 25 is 25. Okay. So that is what A times C is. What do you guys think? If I did C times A, would I get the same thing? No? So what would be the problem with doing C times A? Yeah, because these don't match, right? And so here you go. Why? Because this would be a 2 by 3, this is a 2 by 2, and these do not match, right? And so you can't multiply them. So one thing that's interesting about matrices is, like if I asked you what's 3 times 4, is that the same thing as 4 times 3? And multiplication, yes, that's called commutative property. Okay, multiplication of matrices is not commutative. Right?